In this project, we are creating a digital ruler using an ultrasonic distance sensor. This is a highly accurate way to measure distance using sound waves. We are using the HC-SR04 sensor. This module has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger, and echo. Connect VCC to 5 volts and ground to ground. Then, attach the trigger pin to digital pin 9. And the echo pin to digital pin 10. If you enjoyed this Tinkercad simulation, make sure to like and subscribe for more Arduino projects. The code calculates distance by measuring the time it takes for a pulse to bounce back from an object. We then convert that time into centimeters. If you enjoyed this Tinkercad simulation, make sure to like and subscribe for more Arduino projects. Time for the test. Start the simulation and click on the sensor to move the target. You can see the real-time distance updating clearly in the serial monitor. That's everything for this build. Stay tuned for the next project. If you have a specific project in mind or have any questions about this project, comment below. I'm eager to hear your ideas. Thank you for watching Mr. Arduino 38.